Hey everyone, here's a question on multiplication of fractions. So how to multiply two fractions? So let's take a first example, the first question. So when you're multiplying two fractions, you have to just multiply the numerators and denominators. Like we have 7 by 11 multiplied by 3 by 5. So here you have to multiply the numerators. So 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 by, in the denominator, 11 times 5 is 55. So 21 by 55 is the answer. That's it. If this number can be reduced further, then we have to cancel it and we have to reduce it. We cannot cancel this further, so the answer will be 21 by 55. The next one, here we have a whole number and a fraction. So we have 3 by 5 multiplied by, this whole number can be written in a fractional form as 25 by 1. Now you can see that both are in fractional form. We have to just multiply the numerators and denominators. So 20, and if possible we can cancel the numbers. So you can cancel at this stage so that the multiplication will be easier. We can multiply and then we can cancel it. The result what we got, we can cancel it there, or if possible cancel it here itself, so that the number when you're multiplying, it will be a smaller number, you can multiply it easily. So here I'm going to cancel the number at this stage. So 5 and 25. Remember, 25 is in numerator, 5 is in denominator. So when you cancel out the numbers, the one number should be in the numerator and one number should be in denominator. It's not necessary that it should be exactly the denominator of that number, but you can see this is the numerator and this is the denominator. We can cancel out. So this will be 5 ones are 5 and 5 fives are 25. Now I cannot cancel anything further. In the numerator I have 3 and 5. So 3 fives are is 15. And in the denominator I have 1. So 1 ones are 1. So it is 15 by 1, or you can just write down 15. That's it. Then the next one. Here we have a mixed fraction. So first step is you have to convert the mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So for how to convert them? First you have to multiply the denominator and the whole number. Multiply this two. So 15 times 3 is 45. So multiply and then add the answer to the numerator. 45 plus 4 is 49. So I'll get 49 by 15. So 49 by 15 multiplied by, again you can see 24 is a whole number, right? So I'm going to write this as 24 by 1. That's it. Now we have to multiply the numbers, and now if possible we can cancel the numbers. So here I can cancel 15 and 24. They both are divisible by 3. I can cancel this in 3 table. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Now I cannot cancel anything further, so we have to just multiply the numbers. So 49 times 8, we're going to multiply 49 times 8. So 8 9s are 72, then 8 4s are 32, plus 7 is 39. So we'll get 392. So this is equal to 392 by, in the denominator we have 5 and 1. So 5 ones are 5. So we'll get here 592 by 5. Now this is improper fraction. If we want to write this in a mixed fraction, we can write down. But for that we have to divide this 392 by 5 and see what is the remainder we're getting here. So divide this by 5. So 5 7s are 35. 4 is a remainder. Drop this 2. We get 42. So 5 8s are 40. Now the remainder is 2, which means when I convert this in mixed fraction, my denominator will remain same, that is 5, and the quotient I got, which is 78, I'm going to get the 78 as a whole number, and the remainder what I have, that will be my numerator. So we get 78 2 by 5. Then the last question. Now you can see in this question both the numbers are mixed fractions. So first we have to convert them into mixed improper fraction and then multiply them. So when you convert this, the first mixed fraction, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So we'll get 25 by 8 multiplied by the second one. 11 times 4 is 44, 44 plus 10 is 54. We'll get 54 by 11. Now we have to cancel the numbers. Now you can cancel any, if possible, like you can cancel it at this stage. So I'm going to cancel 8 and 54 in 2 table. So here 2 4s are 8 And this, when I cancel this, 5 doesn't go into table, right? So I'm going to take a number which is less than that, that is 4. 2 2s are 4, 1 is a remainder. I'm going to write this along with 4, that makes the number 14, and 2 7s are 14. So I got 27. Now I cannot cancel anything further, so we're going to just multiply the numerators and denominators. So when you multiply, you have to multiply 24 and 27. So sorry, 25 and 27. So 25 times 27 will going to give us 675. I'm not multiplying here, I'm not showing the multiplication, but when you multiply you will get 675. So 675 times 44, that we have 5 into 11, which is 44. Now again you can see that this is in a mix, it's an improper fraction. If possible, we have to convert this into a mixed fraction like we have done for the previous question, or you can leave the answer here even this is correct answer, and if in case they're asking you to write in the mixed fraction, so then you have to convert this into mixed fraction. So for that we have to divide 675 by 4. So let me erase this part. We're going to divide 675 by 44. So 44 ones are 44, subtract it, we'll get 2 here, and so we get 3 here and 2 here. So drop this 5. Now we have 235, so I'll just try with 44 5s are. So 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 is 22. So 220 is closer to 235. If I take 44 6s are, that will be greater than 235. So I'm going to take 5 times. So 44 5s are is 220. Subtracted, the remainder here is 15. Now so this is equal to the denominator will remain same. The quotient here is 15, that will be the whole number, and the remainder here is again 15, and that will be the numerator. So 15 by 44 is the answer. So I hope these questions are clear. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.